Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to lead the song Good Grace by Hillsong with just you and an acoustic guitar. Before we get into things, I'm going to be using some advanced guitar chords in this arrangement. Don't worry, I'll show you everything that you need to know to play the song. But if you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords to level up your guitar playing, make sure to check out the link in the description below to the free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial. People come together, strangers, neighbors, our blood is one. Children of generations, of every nation, of kingdom come. Don't let your heart be troubled. Hold your head up high, don't fear no evil. Fix your eyes on this one truth: God is madly in love with you. So take courage, hold on, be strong. Remember where our help comes from. Hold your head up high, don't fear no evil. Fix your eyes on this one truth: God is madly in love with you. So take courage, hold on, be strong. Remember where our help comes from. Let the praise go up as the walls come down. All creation, everything with breath, repeat the sound. All His children, clean hands, pure hearts, good grace, good God. His name is Jesus. Swing wide, all you heavens. Let the praise go up as the walls come down. All creation, everything with breath, repeat this sound. All creation, clean hands, pure hearts, good grace, good God. His name is Jesus. Jesus, our redemption, our salvation is in His blood. Jesus, light of heaven, friend forever, His kingdom come. Jesus, our redemption, our salvation is in His blood. Jesus, light of heaven, friend forever, His kingdom come. Congratulations, now you know how to lead the song Good Grace by Hillsong with just you and an acoustic guitar. Hey, if you liked some of those advanced guitar chords that you saw all throughout that arrangement and you want to learn even more of them, I've got you covered. Check out the link in the description below to the free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more of those advanced guitar chord voicings that you can implement into your guitar playing and level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video. Keep leading worship well.